In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications for the Wells Fargo app. Staying on top of your finances is essential, and having notifications enabled on your banking app can be a game changer. Whether it's for keeping track of a deposit coming in or monitoring security alerts, staying informed will give you peace of mind. Let's dive into how you can set this up in the Wells Fargo app. First, what you need to do is open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to head to the settings where most of the notification customization takes place. Look at the top corner of your screen, either on the right or left depending on your phone's layout. You'll notice your profile icon or a menu icon, often represented by three stacked lines or dots, commonly known as the hamburger menu. Once you've tapped on the icon, you'll see a drop-down or side menu appear. Look through the options and find the one labeled Settings. This is where you can personalize and control how the app interacts with you through notifications. Now, when you're inside the settings, one of the main categories you'll find is Notifications. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to a list of different types of alerts. Here's where the excitement happens. You can choose between several different alert categories. This might include notifications for every transaction you make, any deposits that come into your account, or even critical security alerts. The flexibility here allows you to tailor what information you want to be alerted about based on what's most important to you. For each alert type you're interested in, there will be a toggle switch next to it. By tapping this switch, you can turn the notifications on or off. Make sure you toggle it to the on position for the alerts you want to receive. As a good practice, consider enabling security alerts to ensure you're immediately notified of any unusual activities or changes to your account settings. There you have it. With just a few taps, you've now set up important alerts directly from the Wells Fargo app, helping you stay connected with your financial activities seamlessly. Remember, if at any point you want to adjust these settings, you can always revisit the notifications section in your app and make changes according to your needs or preferences. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide empowers you to manage your banking affairs more effectively with the Wells Fargo app. Stay tuned to our channel for more helpful tech guides and tips.